Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Again, this is Jim. At ito na nga, shoot ng Pulang Araw sa Intramuros. At ito nga yata ay today. And sa Barbie Fortesa, shooting for Pulang Araw. Ay nga, napaka-cute na si Barbie. At yung katabi niya ay si Genre. And the next picture is Barbie Fortesa and Akio. At next, Miss Barbie Fortesa ay naglalakad. Para siyang si Little Red Riding Hood, no? Ang cute. Bagay na bagay niya talaga. Grabe. At next, again, more pictures of the taping of Pulang Araw. At day 87 ng araw sila, guys. So, konting-konti na lang hanggang episode 100 na i-tape nila. And next is Barbie Fortesa for Blackwater Perfume. Sabi niya, I'm obsessed. Post niya sa Instagram. Let's watch this.
No, because this right here, this, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. I'm obsessed.
Grabe, I really love her facial expression. Parang umaarte pa rin, umaacting pa rin si Barbie kahit ganun lang na. And next is the cute and handsome Mr. David Licauco. See you tomorrow at 8 PM for Good Drip. Na-post niya sa kanyang TikTok account. Let's watch this. Ayan na nga. So, coffee sachet yata yung hawak ni David sa kanyang muka. At yan na nga, umiinom ng kape. Naka-post. At yan. Sinasalay niya yung kape sa kanyang tasa, guys. Ayan. Paka-cute. At next ay post ni Chef Mike, yung kasosyo ni David at head chef niya sa kanyang mga business. Ayan na nga. At SM City Manila, opening soon, Kuya Korea. Ayan yung newest branch ng Kuya Korea. At another one is Sobra Manila at Opus Mall, official. Ayan, so dalawang business si David yung magbubukas in a few days. At next naman ay post ni Tita Eden, Jimin and the Rock Melon. Ayan ang cute na pamangkin ni David na half Korean and half Chinese. Ayan, napaka-cute. Grabe. Ay, nako. Pero kung ano sana, kung Fortesa, Licauco yung magiging anak ni David, no? Mas cute pa dito, palagay ko. Grabe. Sayang. Anyway, next naman ay post ni James Licauco. Ayan ang napaka-cute na si James. And this one is from his TikTok account. You're not about to believe what I'm about to do. A lot of you may not know I used to play basketball. From grade 7 to 10 in junior high, I played for my school. Never really was good enough or tall enough in my head to play collegiate. So in senior high, I switched to volleyball. The redirection that got me where I am today. I haven't played the sport in years, but I'd probably still beat you in 21. And the cute James Licauco, ayan, with the ball. At next naman is another TikTok video by James. Ariana needs to stop releasing this live versions because I'll need another month to move on. Ayun na nga. Nilipsing pala ni James. Tapos, Denzel Chang's post, Shibuya, work in progress. So, yun na nga, pinipinturahan yung shoes, guys. Now, guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more about the updates. See you in my next vlog. Bye!